Oh, hello, everyone. How you doing? How you doing? This is Analyzing with El Dorado Effects. As you know, this is no financial advice. It's only a review what we think happens in the market. So just be careful in whatever you do. Do your best to always use proper risk management and follow the market the best as possible. So we're gonna go today very differently. Today we have the weekly, some weekly levels that we want to just show you guys very quickly. So. Weekly zone, key weekly zone would be 5,200 to 5,088. So that's a weekly zone that we would like to see price to remain above the key price 5,279. The only target on a weekly time frame to reach would be around 5,600 area. That's the only thing that is pending. So meaning if the price manages to go above once again 4,480, very likely that we're gonna get to 5,000, sorry, to 5,480. Very likely it's gonna go to 5,600. So that's in the weekly time frame what is going on. Let's see if we feel that gap. But now what we're moving? We're moving to another chart in Forex.com to the 4 hour time frame. And we're gonna see some different zones here that you can have a look. Remember that we already spoke about this 4 hour time frame daily zone. So the two zones that we have right here. So this one is 4 hours. So the first one would be a 5,281 to 5,259. So hopefully, if the key price is respected, the key buy zone 5,227 to 5,205, then we're gonna have more push-ups. Being the key price again 5,167, which is the previous weekly low. So the first target was hit from the, remember we spoke about gold opening with a gap. It was done, nicely done. The target number 2 was almost reached, not very far from that, on 300 pips, something like that. And then target number 3 was the one far away, but in the end, we managed to hit a lot of pips. In case you benefit, congratulations for following along. So these are the zones, these are the key prices. Everything that we do here is try to explain to you as simple as possible zones and areas that the price might react, remember, and then it's for you to decide and to find out with proper confirmation how to enter the market. Yeah. Okay, now moving on. Where? El Dorado FX Free. So, guys, El Dorado FX Free is just a simple group in Telegram where we provide 1 to 2 signals per day and where you can benefit from that. Okay, so many people is asking why gold drop. So there's many explanations that can be. You know that we have NFP week. You know that we have the monthly candle that is opening today, that opens today. So there's many things going on. There's also this situation with the geopolitical situation at the moment that is crazy. So it's a lot of things. But still, Eldorado FX Free providing 1 to 2 signals per day. And it's really good what we're providing. So just congratulations for those who benefits from our signals because they're just amazing. Every week we're trying to get at least sometimes plus 2,000 pips, sometimes plus 1,000 pips, but still profit during the week. So in the long run, we've been doing amazing on Dorado FX Free. So just recommend the channel and share with friends and family, share with everyone so that everyone can join and benefit. So moving on into our economic calendar, we saw today the drop as well. It will have to be uh, more with the news in the dollar. We have the all positive, so that bring a drop. Tomorrow we don't have any high volatility news, and then after tomorrow we're gonna have it. But for tomorrow, nothing to worry about unless something else happened during the war, or I don't know, a missile, something like that, missile, something like that. So there's many things that can happen, but we don't control everything on the market. We control our capital. We protect our capital. Is that what is happening at the moment? That's the only thing we can do, especially with this kind of sudden move that we have in the market. So yes, thank you very much for watching. This was Analyzing with Eldorado Effects. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.